Should I stay or should I go? It's always tease, tease, tease. You're happy when I'm on my knees. One day it's fine and next it's black. So if you want me off your back, come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I go there will be trouble. If I stay it will be double. So come on and let me know. Listen, this is if you don't want to see me free, exactly who am I supposed to be? Don't you know which clothes even fit me? Come on and let me know. Should I cool it or should I blow?